Hi buddies, your body is back in yours. Greetings. Today we will be discussing The Mere Collective Mind by Samashti, regarding Joseph Murphy's book. Moments of your subconscious mind's power are referred to as components and their derivatives. Another name for Facebook is the power of account. The statements video is available on our channel. I must have seen them seconds before. Next to the concept of the subconscious mind. This will help you comprehend the level the best. What our subconscious minds do in life. Presenting issues after 19 years. Many folks are willing to assist today. Had severe depression throughout this period. It's the greatest and it's negative, so let's do it. Positive thoughts emerge both intellectually and physically. To keep livestock alive, all that opium. To put things in perspective, it's claimed that we take strength from our subconscious as well. These can improve your quality of life. His two media are so same that there are two components to our love. Who are all the intelligent people with others? Which spouse is in charge of his thoughts? Our subconscious is traveling through. Knowing our mental strength, we can do such things. You'll discover that medical science holds the opinion that, or getting rid of your negative behaviors. You can ask a question like that if you'd like. Do you wish to introduce harmony to your family? Desire or influence them to do this? I'm far away from you and everything else. You will benefit much from this movie, particularly if. Do you currently have a subscription to our channel? If you haven't already, watch the video. Join Coach immediately channel as a subscriber. However, our channel also features Rukmini Life, one of the YouTube disguised channels. Occasionally, our videos may be a bit lengthy, because we're about to move on to another video's material. Never cut corners, which is why video. You have to see it through to the conclusion. What is the functioning of the human brain? Just a single request, yet he has a. These two phrases serve two distinct purposes. William must be making you feel like family. King Khan and Cox's bullet vibration K. Who says, slap set office meet? You have several months, whereas a guy just has one. All of his cognitive and green ability. Between two distinct mental endeavors. What are the advantages of completing an admissions function? It reminds me of states in our, for Murphy, active and passive. Reminding the topic and the objective. He has disclosed which and another name for the subconscious mind is worshipping with both men and women. Remind yourself to be voluntary and involved. In addition to doing these things, objective. Together, the five will conquer the globe. Sense makes use of it, but that which we are reminding us of our comprehension consists of our weather and its power. Our goal is the area, since he is the inspiration for this page when the last. Until our topic is reminded, there is a limit. Varying distances from our bodies, capable of space travel and last time. From there, one can acquire intelligence by visiting. Additionally, you cannot see the most recent even from outside since you are blind. Another issue I would like to mention is subjective mind. The statement has received a lot of attention. And anyway, it was all acquired by someone. It largely says yes to Dixit. Is it something you planted or is it like soil? Whether he is excellent or not, the instructor also does it. This is your inquisitive mind, bad. Despite this, the subconscious mind is in charge. Similar to the stronger of the two. Captive follows his master's instructions to the letter. In a same manner, which of your Shiva's chapter master is smile. Your body and all of your delegates to Shiva. Your subconscious takes care of that for you. Examine and evaluate your Williams and recommendations. This is another of many things that the middle accepts as true. Here's an instance of telling folks again and over again. I don't enjoy mushrooms, so whenever you, then every Muslim in your community will serve mushrooms. I'll claim the boss dislikes mushrooms or which of your other subconscious minds? A connection that is quite returning. Which statements from accounts are pearls? Both have some connections throughout the day. How much printing one of them used? He stops contributing as soon as he is in second place. For this reason, the subconscious works best when little jobs are ineffective or when the conscious mind doesn't function or in deposit and CP. It occurs. How can you benefit from the subconscious mind? However, what we have discussed is simply, somewhere American intelligence introduced this. We now discuss the third chapter of mind. I'll take care of this crucial task, as it is merely behind him, takes the whole thing offline, not just one side, complies with the strike's current published guidelines. We'll realize that all we've learned thus far, how to transform information into useful methods, transform it into the items you desire, will aid in healing when the subconscious, assist the only universal clean, easy healing and subconscious minutes. One more of ours is well known, which is then. Between the two, the question is very straightforward. Which, sincerity and self-confidence, is fixable and you click on every spot. Do it. This information will be helpful. Purchasing a Century Chemist subscription, and they say want now as they click. You will learn more terms in school. If you, I think, subscribe, due to you. This may be rather simple if you can regulate your body, and I don't have any problems. Indeed, you are able to eradicate everyone's. His supervisor doesn't like him, and Sim is difficult to remove from subscribe. He only performs his duties. If you genuinely believe that this is feasible, then you press your subconscious mind with Operation Clean. In other words, you also need to provide your subconscious with ideas. That this question doesn't give you a headache. That I don't have a hat trick makes me happy. Which states that it is ineffective, yet getting past the statement work, actual if you're asleep or not. It is intelligent while in a cream-like state. You give in to your subjective and your subconscious takes over. Even if I have stuff like Twitter and home, never make your therapy less effective by claiming. Unconsciously set up your body's server. Free green blueprint in the brain. Which grin does he let in? Raises questions about your friend. That is all that exists. There is only fair-held blame and, personally, I think this 420E is inferior. For doing the wrong thing, there are challenges and a jail, which enters the subconscious consciousness of the workplace. This is balanced in your subconscious. Show who is in charge when doing this. 10 Alcoholism in the subconscious mind right now. Regardless of the issue, your subconscious, to get in touch and take action with. The ordering procedure has undergone 3 modifications. First, find a solution to your issue. The second is that there is no doctor present once more. Look for a solution and have parts. Rest in a state of profound astonishment that this method has been finished. Use your vision to create a dashing effect. According to others, the message resonates to people like you. That's how he is in these few words. I know all there is to know to make someone happy. Must go about living. If you are an alcoholic, Johari says. Edition Gunta so lovely nahi high relationship. Is excited, which is a mental image. Talking to friends is also a trap. The first of the 3 processes is to transform into and make use of your intellect and assist Raju. Visit one of the states in the second group. A choice that is also consistent with our recollections. And repeatedly struck it like an iron. Repeat phrases like restraint and calm is mine and I'm grateful for it. Pressing again for 5 minutes. Need resulting from need or its effects. As seen in the photo, combine to carry out the reaction. After this gold t-shirt, you match. Prior to Imagine Friend Polytechnic. Make use of your love phone's imagery. Is before you, you've closed your eyes and you, those who are your last, rest. You compliment their smile. You can see that their voices are audible. You are able to touch their hands and fans. It's wasteful and too late. Congratulations. That's hot and finished. Until the end of time, freedom is this class repeatedly. When you don't receive the kind of response that want, if contented, the subconscious. Funds for prosperity and economic well-being. It is crucial that you have all of those. Salman, do you need anything on campus? Even if you don't have a lot of money already, there are 2 possible explanations. Either you are continuously. Police, you're thinking about money. Feeling as though I despise money. Money is a horrible thing. It's always awful. Is it your subconscious mind or its root? Placing incorrect orders, just like me. I need money, I need success, I need money. Want to get the best stable free trick? Locate it and do it again as you sleep for a few minutes. Use these strategies when it comes to money. This can help you succeed financially. We have subscriptions to these 2 wires. For 5 minutes, you must repeat each one consecutively. 3 to 5 times daily to ensure that you're a communication between your subconscious. You will eventually receive all of everything when this turns into a satsang. If there is a charge between this world and remind, day and night, I am successful at my clothing work. My seal is every time I become the 3rd fee. The number of days is growing, and I come in every day. I'm becoming more proficient, and after hearing this, your mental wealth is also growing. There will be joy in this. What is your final fear? Not labeled, therefore this is how it will operate. Subconscious thoughts and issues in marriage. A remarkable ability that the subconscious mind possesses. It does occur, however this capability is completely outclassed if, for instance, nobody should profit from this. If a drug addict is married to someone. If so, by using the subconscious, saving the communications would be improper. You should gather your belongings and go away and break up with the person, because if, only then should you and your lover live together. Only if the marriage is in the department will it continue to be an affair. There is a strong desire to dissolve the union and want to cohabitate after marriage. And if they are both serious, what sort of home is this? Which separates on its own and occasionally will shatter, so try to avoid that. Before marriage, you had all of your time. The cause of issues in your marriage is that you, proper use of the subconscious mind by a wife and husband, didn't track using it. This method can help you reach. Can we sit on an armchair together? Sit with your eyes and body closed. Calm down and be absolutely silent. Address the subconscious by saying, I'm really testing my spouse. Then genuine oil time is squandered and it's a really joyful and tranquil procedure. All of these attributes are now subconscious. As soon as I see all of these things, I start thinking. I choose the chords. They belong to me. Turn into pieces. I am aware of that one liquid. This is the attractions table that I can use. I have the ability to draw people to me. In any subconscious, I discovered the same thing. This has drawn my subconscious attention. I am this because the mind is a martyr. In this folk recording, I am aware that because of those scenarios, keep an eye on your spouse. I'll follow the instructions in my subconscious. The reader's subconscious writes and advice. Are you aware that you have 539 in the morning? But without any alert, how is it possible to think? You wanted to know at just this moment. You have now made the subconscious mind visible. Did he come get you? And if so, how long did this last? This is the subconscious mind if I talk. After hearing about the item, the seller will accept your order. Likewise, if you'd want a wedding, should you inform your subconscious? Ask questions and have a conversation before bed. There is just one thing your subconscious mind tells you. The method remains the same even if the solution is already known. Your body still needs to relax. Additionally, you should concentrate on your issue. Which one ought to be your initial attempt? After this, only a grin should be the solution. Just think of how delighted you will be when you don't worry about anything else. We'll figure something out. If your thinking is still put to the test, then please finally bring this entry back. At ease for sleep while you dream. Your team will provide the solutions which are still in the dream. She repeated this first, and now I'll receive the response. I am aware that my subconscious. Prepare to go back to sleep. You already know the answer. Watch this film and consider these thoughts will help you discover a solution. Even if your thoughts wander, so relax and trust your subconscious once more. I'll get up in the morning. Don't blame Congress for your issues. Wait till your solution arrives before proceeding. There will be plans. Keep in mind that it is irrelevant. Then what's going on, you constantly have this direction. Will be given the greatest information on, are considering. 12 Emerson's The Subconscious Mind and Fear. The saying goes that the task that frightens you, do the same thing, but the price is your dread of dying. He neglected to say that you actually avoid doing things that frighten you. Just by picturing, you may utilize your mind to do anything. Can go on to become well known in the subconscious keeps you on the correct course. I'll take you here and share a singer's story, which is preferable to playing in front of a crowd. Despite her excellent voice, I was afraid. He learned the method from them, and now look. She is now so famous that if any gadget, they experienced that thing 3 times. After this, you'll have to work alone in his chamber. He is unwinding while sitting in his room. Additionally, the female has shut her eyes. The recommendation was that this science college. I arrive calm and gorgeous. And I am calm, slow, and assured. 3 times a day, this emotional phenomenon. You must complete it both before and after bed. System complete audition based on eczema severity. And he never had to take the stage again after that. If there isn't an affair after you leave, friends, then 2 parts of our mind are currently engaged. As a reminder, we only have one mind, but they are still 2 distinct entities. Is a combination of these 2 functions. Which grin do you prefer? The name is objective. States and subjects all of this awareness. Our 5 senses are the mind, and the city is the mind. Executes a series of objective tests using. However, our topic also recalls, such as who controls our feelings. Amitabh's smile is most effective when the subconscious mind is still working. Performs best when avoid being a restaurant, as only then will you. Functions of print in the body of practice. This is the result of sleep suppression. Are in since you're currently outdoors. I apologize for wasting time. I can't perceive reality. It involves making recommendations to your subconscious. Now is the moment to hear everyone's response. Pundit is serene right before sunrise. Calm down in his subconscious. Give us your proposal in these sentences. The subconscious mind was the term for this. We didn't know our hot is our. Although it has a name, the subconscious mind does exist. These were additions that Sakina did not call. The response in chapter A states that reasoning and is silver, signifying the subconscious. Stated differently, when they are speaking to God from their hearts. Then, in fact, your subconscious. However, it's not an error. No, as that's how the majority of true ones in particular, are in high demand. With whole commitment and a facade of innocence. You don't have to believe in this. What the stomach is doesn't matter. The subconscious mind's own journey provides and reacts to many specific. You may resolve your like-share issue in a similar manner. Can identify a solution in order for your friends to enjoy up videos. Enjoy every bit of garlic in this book, I hope. Wearing this throughout your life will make it more. Also, you'll be able to live at the office more comfortably. More detailed recording and reading are possible. The description includes the URL. In case you haven't signed up for our channel, subscribe to the military channel if you do. Like and comment on the video as well. We become more motivated when we receive gratitude. You may follow us on Telegram and Facebook. Additionally, if you'd like, follow them on Twitter. If you wish to wear it just for promotional purposes, message us if you enjoy the video. It will benefit everyone if another person is able to get light on the castle. Tell us and we'll see you soon. I really like the improved video. Take action.